better get on the intercom and tell Grandpa we're coming up to Calamity Hill.
Yeah, you're probably right. Hey, Grandpa, we're coming up to Calamity Hill, and we'll be shutting down the bent time engines in a minute.
Okay, just hold her to a stop and I'll hop off. You two need to get that shipment off to our base on the road to the moon pronto. Oh, and stop by the stable before you take off and have Cletus pick up my saddle here and take the horse off the train.
Your horse is playing chess with Stan and she wants to finish the game.
Stan's got to get off too.
Grandpa, we just saw White Sea Moss. We were waving at him, but he just zipped by. Then we saw that asteroid with the evil Empress's castle, and it was right behind us. I think she's trying to capture Wyatt. We've got to get out of here. We're turning the bent time engine back on now. That was close. What's the evil Empress doing so near Earth? I don't think you should go back to Calamity Hills now, Grandpa. It's just not safe. Just stay on the train until it's safer.
I love you guys, and don't worry about me. I'll see you in about a week.